Hey guys, I'm Coley and I'm going to do an unboxing and a review for the Tarot of the Vampires by Charles Harrington. Oh my god, I was so glad this came. I didn't think it was going to come this early, but it did. I've been waiting for months for this deck and I'm excited. So this is going to be my first time just as well as it's yours. So okay, first of all, let's see. This is the back, and let me open it. Get my scissors here. All right, let's get this open. Okay. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. This is the book. That's the back of it. Let's see, 78 cards. Let's see, does it say? Okay, we'll get to this in a second because I want to show you guys the deck. This is the inside. That is pretty. Oh, this is the back of the cards. Okay. Okay, let me try to open this. Sorry, guys. All right, there we go. Okay. So, yep, this is the back of it. Let me bring this down some. And it feels like a gloss finish on the back of it. And it feels a little glossy on the front, but it's matte. It feels matte on the front side. And they are thin. So let's hop on into it. So we have the Fool. They're sticking together. That is pretty. Looks like she's thinking. Okay. The Magician. Look at that. I couldn't wait till this deck came. The High Priestess. Oh. Fire. Oh, is that? It looked like heartbeats or hearts. Fire and water or air. Yeah. The Empress. Oh, isn't she gorgeous? That is pretty. The Emperor. The Hierophant. Oh, she's standing up there. Instead of, there's no one in this one. Just a statue. The Lovers. The Chariot. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Look at all those colors. Wow. Strength. This is beautiful. So beautiful. The Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hanged Man. It's like a bat. Look at that. Death. So he bit her. Temperance. Well, she's mixing her stuff up. Potions. The devil. That's interesting. Got a pot. Looks like a pot of fire in the back of him. The tower. Yeah, that's really different. I like it. I like it. The star. Not sure what she's doing. She's up in the air. The moon. That's pretty. Now this is beautiful. The sun. Looks like he's trying to catch him before he falls out. Judgment. Wow. This is going to be interesting. The world. Now to the wands, which is the Ace of Wands. 2 of Wands. 3 of Wands. 4 of Wands. I wonder what are those on the back. 5 of Wands. That is pretty. It looks like they have a little movie theater in the back. 6 of Wands. So pretty. 7 of Wands. The 8 of Wands. Wow. 9 of Wands. 10 of Wands. That is pretty. I like that. Page of Wands. I'm just loving these colors. That's her book. Knight of Wands. A rock star. Queen of Wands. That is pretty. The King of Wands. Down to the Ace of Cups. That is pretty. 2 of Cups. Isn't that gorgeous? 3 of Cups. 4 of Cups. He's getting blood. Time to fill up. 5 of Cups. That is pretty. 6 of Cups. I love the illustrations. The 7 of Cups. That is so pretty. 8 of Cups. She has her perfume, or to me it looks like perfumes or potions. The 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. He has his drink on the right. Yes, is that a little heart? Yeah. Queen of Cups. Looks like she's taking care of her daughter. King of Cups. Get jiggy with it. Got his alcohol ready. Or that could be his blood. Ace of Swords to the swords. Two of Swords. I like how he's in the background. Three of Swords. Oh, wow. She's like, oh, no. I don't want that. Four of Swords. That is so pretty. This reminds me of The Gods of Egypt, that movie. And kind of like Avatar, because they're so tall. The new Avatar movie, I love that. That movie was good, really good. But anywho, the Five of Swords. The Six of Swords. Oh, so they're not in the boat on this one. Okay. Seven of Swords. It looks like the Matrix. She's dodging those bullets. The Eight of Swords. Oh, wow. She's hiding from them. The Nine of Swords. Wow. So he's creeping towards her in her sleep, or whoever this is in their sleep. The Ten of Swords. He's trying to pull those swords out. The Page of Swords. Wow, it's kind of like a ghost in the night. That smoke around them. The Knight of Swords. The Queen of Swords. King of Swords. That's pretty. Now to the Pentacles, which is the Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. He's trying to decide. Oh, wow. He's trying to decide if he wants to be with her. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Like shut down, buried in a coffin. And the dog is guarding the coffins. Five of Pentacles. He's hiding. It's a cop car in the back. He could have stole and left his trail. Six of Pentacles. This is different. To be on the Pentacles. Yeah, that's different. The Seven of Pentacles. She's watering her plants. The Eight of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles. That's pretty. The Ten of Pentacles. That's what's on the inside of this box. Page of Pentacles. That's real pretty. Knight of Pentacles. That's pretty too. Queen of Pentacles. She's enjoying herself outside. And the King of Pentacles. That's it. That's interesting. Now tell him where he's at. But yeah, this side, I noticed that this side feels a little more matte. It has that silk finish, as you can see, but it's more matte. It feels like more matte than this side does. A little slippery. They feel like they will shuffle good too, but they are thin. You can see. Kind of have to bend them a little. So here's the book. Let's see what's in the book. It has the lovely pictures, color pictures. Let's see. So this goes right into practice reading, reading reversals, journals, symbols, importance. Let's see. So what else does it has in the, see if it has anything in the back. No, it doesn't, just the author. Does it have spreads? Let's see. Let's see. Sinking your teeth, a ritual to bless your new deck. Yep, tarot spreads. And then the meanings. Deck of shadows. Yeah. So this, let's see, this book has, see how many pages? 201. No, yeah, just about, let's say about 203 pages in the book. But that's the deck, you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.